how dark it is. Off. I want to turn it on. It's on. Today we're gonna bring a solar light, and this is pretty much what you get. You get the solar panel. If you can see it, the solar light, LED lights, instructions, control in the back end, and some screws. But these are not wood screws, just to be sure. It's cement screws, but we are gonna put them on a wood. And we're gonna put it on this ledge right here to get some lighting going on at this dark area. So we're gonna go ahead and do that today. So let's stick around.
No, actually, that's good. Once I get one of them. Listo.
There he goes. Yeah. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.